like, alright, so this SUP, I don't think you're supposed to leave it inflated, but I'm running experiments on it. I really don't have the time to inflate it all the time, but I'm gonna go use it. That's coming. But based on my test for the last 2 weeks, it will hold the pressure, like it will lose 5 pounds of pressure in about a week. It's not like it gets deflated, it's still solid. It's just that the pressure is lower. It still has the form. I'm trying to carry everything. I know, stand-up paddleboard's supposed to be not complicated, but you know me, they're complicated. A little windy. Feels like a fish. Are you recording? What is this? Probably a snapper. Oh, jack. Oops! Fell off. Something jumped over there. What the heck was that? Maybe a snook or something? Alright guys, this pisciform carbon eggs fell in the water over there during state, and it was there for more than a day, and I didn't do anything to it. I didn't open it, clean it up, or anything like that. I just put some oil on it, and like on the outside, and this thing is working like it never fell off. Never been in the water for a day. Carbon eggs. There you go. Super light reel. Feels really good. I like the design. What just happened? Battery dead. I didn't charge my Bisbee battery because I wasn't planning to do a long trip, and out of battery. We are almost at the end of Chicken Key. Look how shallow it is right now. Alright, so we're gonna use this big jig head. This is 1/2 ounce jig head. I really like this shrimp body jig head from Bass Pro Shops. They work super great with gulp. This may be too big for this 3-inch gulp, but hey, what I have here right now. Let me see how it looks. Like a big head, no problem. Here. maybe it's overkill. The stick head is like not right. Anyways, so we're gonna be using this right now. I just lost cast over there and lost my gulp and my willis. What the heck? Fish! Little snapper. Yay! On the sub, guys. More snapper, so I know where they are now. He fooled me. Smaller one. It's gonna be a little windy. We're gonna get out of here like in no time. Look at the color of that water. I don't even know how I got. Look at the color of the water. How the heck did I even get one fish to bite? One last cast, because why not? We're about 2 miles away from the house. It's that little house that you see over there where the rod ends. What the heck? Those are mullets, damn it. Like I didn't see one predator today. Those are mullets jumping. There's maybe something's chasing them, but hey. Fish! Right there! Jack! Hoo hoo! You know what they say about jacks. They were chasing the mullets. They saved the day? Wonder where they go. Where? Fish! Ooh, no. Ooh, they're here. They're here around me. They're around me. Yeah, got him. One of them ate the... Where's your brother? Damn. That was so cool. Cool.
When you're happy, when you're fired up, when all of a sudden people want to be around you, when people not want to be around you, what causes it? 2019, study yourself.
Huh, one cast, one jack.
Study stocks.
My God, he ate the entire thing.
You're changing many of your bad habits with good ones. Habit number 6, look for positivity with Gary Vaynerchuk.
Like find what you're looking for. I've been giving a lot of thought to kind of just watching what I'm seeing out there in these social digital.
One cast, one jack.
Very honestly.
Alright, so we got jacks, we got snapper, we got more jacks, and then we have fun today. Let's go back home.